Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I realize, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. I realized that I did not record an intro for this video, so we're doing that now. I just took a bath, doing a face mask, living that quarantine life, doing some self-care. Yeah, that's what it's called. And I hope you guys are doing that as well. Take care of yourself, and this is like such a great time to pamper yourself. So yeah, that's why I look a little crazy. If you're new to my channel, I do a handful of different videos. I love cooking, I love doing makeup and speed clean videos, and just a handful of other things, subscription box unboxings, which gets me into, I'm out of breath, which gets me into this craft that I decided to do this time, in this video. So I was cleaning out my makeup room, which you guys will see a speed clean video on that, and I decided, like, when I was looking at the Look Fantastic subscription boxes that I had, I was like, this would be a really fun craft to paint on. And I don't know why I got the idea of getting stickers, cute little stickers like cars and a forest theme and fish and stuff, like something that would be cute in my son Hunter's room. He's 2, and I was like, it'd be cool to like paint a background and then stick stickers on it. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I had so much fun. It's going to be kind of like a speed paint with me. And then I'm going to show you guys how they turned out and how they look like afterward. This is a really fun project and little activity to do with your spouse or even with your kids. Obviously, if they're over a specific age where they can actually start painting. I could even have Hunter do some. He's 2 and he kind of likes to finger paint and stuff, but it still makes it fun. You know, they don't have to be perfect. So anyway, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, be sure to hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, and subscribe. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so to start this off, I'm just going to be showing you guys the little boxes that I have. So some of these boxes are from like the little Target Beauty boxes that I get. This is the lid, that is the bottom to it. This is the Look Fantastic box, this is the top, that's the bottom to it. I got the Wet n Wild like Pac-Man thing. I thought it would be really cool if I had one thing that I'm going to be hanging as a circle, and then I have a few more of like these. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. I am going to just use this spray paint right here. I got it at Walmart, very cheap, and it's a paint and primer. It's ultra matte and it's in white. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to go ahead and move Matt's car out of the garage and then spray paint in the garage because it was slightly snowing out here earlier and it's kind of windy. But I want to do these today, spray them today when I'm recording this, because tomorrow, when you see me recording that part, it's going to obviously be tomorrow, but I want these to be dry by then. So yeah, let's go spray paint.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love, you're feeling something, hey, you cannot control, just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective, just in time you came, and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life, make me feel so.
Alright, so I went to Walmart and got these stickers. I think each of them were only like 97 cents, which is pretty awesome. The dollar store has stickers too, but I was just at Walmart, so I got these. So obviously we're going to be doing an underwater one because Bubba loves sharks. And then we're going to do like an outdoorsy one and use some plant stickers. And then we're going to do some ones that's like a racetrack and things like that, using some of the cars because Bubba loves cars too. So Matt's actually painting one light purple for me right now because I'm going to be doing one for our bathroom downstairs because I recently redid it and it's kind of purple. So he's putting some purple paint down. We have some acrylic paint over here. I just got this one from Walmart a while back. They always have paints like these. This has pretty much almost every single color. I am going to have Matt go get the black one because we'll need black. And then we have some things to put paint in. I have Sharpies, not sure if we're going to need those. And then we have tons of paint brushes. And then, yeah, all of these that I spray painted. And, yeah, that looks good. No, the white around the sides actually would be nice. I like it. I think that's all we'll need. Might need a pencil because I might do some tracing and stuff on them before I paint it. But I'm going to try to record all the ones that we do and do like a speed paint. I've kind of always wanted to do something like this. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And yeah.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word.
So I wanted to just share with you guys. I actually painted this for my beauty room. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but this used to be like half like a tan color and half purple, and then it said something in the middle. So I just painted it white and then I splattered paint all over it. And now I am adding this, hold on, I grabbed the wrong one. I will be adding this paint right here, which is a glitter paint. I also got this from Walmart, and I am just like putting this all over, and I'm going to obviously spread it all out, so I'm going to give it some shimmer to it.
Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, cause you got me holding, holding.
So I'm going to show you guys the finished look. I'm so excited with how these turned out. We hung them up in Hunter's room already. And here they are on his wall. I do need to touch up this paint, so don't mind that. But this is his room, and here are the finished paintings. So this one had the tree stickers, so I just did some mountains in the background. This is the racetrack one. And as you can see, they do stick up from the wall just a little bit. This is the ocean one that I did. Just a random bluish green design. And then the monster trucks with the sand, which is so much fun. And the star of the show is this adorable one Matt did. We decided to do like a little submarine type window where it's like looking out at the bottom of the ocean, and it has to be my favorite thing by far. And then you saw me working on one for my bathroom. Look how cute this turned out. So it was supposed to say splish splash time for a bath, but I accidentally did an A for the first splish, so I just did splashy splash time for a bath, and I love how it turned out. Alright guys, I'm so excited how they turned out. This paint job back here, like I said, I had this room as my beauty room before, and I used gold spray paint, and then I painted over it black because I didn't like it, and now it's kind of being weird, so I need to touch that wall up. But this turned out so cute. I really do love that one in my bathroom. I'm thinking about possibly making some more for my bedroom. So if you guys want to see another video on this and me making more, then comment down below. I would love to make that happen for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Toodaloo.